Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Hey guys, it's your girl Simply China and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I know it's long overdue, and as you guys can already tell, it is the holiday time and we're getting ready to enter into the new year. And I know this year I didn't get a chance to film as much content as I would like, so this is why I'm already coming strong for the new year. I'm trying to set good habits early, and just starting this already kind of puts me in a mood. So today's tech review is going to be on the DJI RS2 Pro kit. I'm gonna be unboxing it today. I will do a separate video for setting up and how we're gonna set up you know, the DJI RS2. So basically, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. So we're gonna just dive straight into it. And you know, I'm gonna get my handy dandy blade. I got a new blade, and as you guys can see, I shouldn't probably be using blades because I'm accident prone, as you guys already know. And I got this cute new blade. If you guys want to know where I got it from, I'll put the description, I'll put it in my description bio, but it is from Amazon. And yeah, I needed this in my life. I'm gonna make sure that I'm actually filming on my other screen because I don't have my monitor set up to that lens. Weirdly enough, the for some odd reason, the cinematic mode doesn't work with the Apple Watch syncing. So normally I like to use my Apple Watch to kind of mirror my second lens, or like my second camera, or I use my actual second camera to you know, film. But that's neither here or there. We're gonna just get right into it. So as you guys already know, I do have the Pro kit. So it comes with this thick, you know, manual, and then this really nice case. I do really like this case. I'm gonna open her up. So when you open her up, it actually is really nice. I really do like this case. I want to say overall, it has everything really organized. Has the nice gimbal. Well, this is the DJI. I'm actually gonna let me read the box so I can tell you guys exactly what each item is correctly. This is the tripod. This is how it comes. I've lost this from my previous DJI, so definitely if I was you, I would try to make sure when you're packing this you put it in either like another case or something, because it's very easy to lose. This is the quick release plate. So we have here the quick release plate. We also have here, this is really awesome. I love this because I can put my phone on here. I don't think you can put an iPad, it's just not big enough for it, but you definitely can use this to put your phone, which is awesome. We also have, so this is the grip for it. As you can see, you would normally just charge this up, and this is how you would charge it up. Type-C port, so we would just charge it that way. Just put that like that. Crafting piece. We also have with it is, this is a transmitter. So it comes with a transmitter, which is super dope. That's why I do like the Pro kit. It comes with these actual so you have the image transmitter, and these are kind of just accessories like to help with it. It comes with the screw so I can custom it. Little guy is the D-Ring camera. I think this is the D-Ring camera. So play with that. This is also a lot of like, I guess you can kind of say like grips and holders that can like help customize your experience with it. This is another thing, I think. I don't even know what. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't want to. There we go. Yeah, I have a few of these. These extra items is kind of like the access sleeve and like the you know, like the tools that you can use to kind of set up the DJI. So these are just like additional tools. So after that, we have here is where the actual gimbal is, and it's amazing. What do you guys think? It looks great. You know, I'm really excited to kind of showcase you know, this product and what it has to offer. I'm gonna try before posting this video, I'm gonna try my best to do the assembling video next, and then I'm gonna post the quality of like content that I make with using this, so you guys can actually see with this video like what you can actually do with having this gimbal. And basically you can kind of see firsthand just like, is it worth it? I think it's definitely something that you can add to your creator's kit. I do feel like especially when you're in the more pro lineup of video work, you definitely will need this when doing any type of shooting. I feel like especially with taking B-roll, things of that nature that really requires a steady hand, this would help tremendously. I honestly feel like I've tried the different techniques, you know, like pinky work. I've tried the different techniques of trying to have that stable you know, stable look, and there are professionals that can kill it as far as getting that stable look without using a gimbal. So if you're one of those people that maybe can do it, I would say try and see what happens. But me personally, like, I really do like using the gimbal. Like I said, the only con to it is the setup time. Sometimes if you don't use this regularly, to have to set this up all the time and restabilize, because you will have to restabilize every time you shoot or every time you're focusing on a particular you know, area or item, you will have to restabilize it. So that part is not always the best because it does take some time there. But if you are somebody that, you know, can pick up on it quick, I definitely feel like it will be a great tool to it. This one retails the Pro Kit retails for $9.99, so ideally it is very pricey. It is definitely something that I feel like you will have to decide if you're trying to take your video work to the next level, if you're taking bookings, things of that nature, and it will be really helpful. Me personally, I love adding more and more accessories to my kit, so this just allows me the leisure to have, you know, more accessories that I can use to help better the quality that I produce for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's been forever and a day and a month and a year, okay, since I pushed out some real good tech for you guys. And obviously I came strong with this tech review. I have so much more tech reviews that I have to show you guys. Over the year, I've really had a chance to kind of deep dive into a lot of more of the Apple scene. So definitely comment below if you guys want to see any of the iMac reviews, the iPad reviews. Just like let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely get that out to you guys. And Happy New Year. If I haven't told everyone yet, Happy New Year. I definitely, like I said, will be taking more Q&A questions on my social platforms like Twitter and Instagram. So definitely, if you haven't done so, follow. The information is down below in my description. So thank you guys so much, and welcome back, winning team. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.